high-rise. High-rise. Sasabihin ko sana high-rise. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another as seen on TV test video. I still haven't figured out what to title this video, but as seen on TV test yung title ko. So yeah, this time is going to be interesting. I'm gonna be testing out for the very first time this FREEBRA, they call it. Parang Wonder Bra yung tawag ng iba. No, not Wonder Bra. I was kidding. It's supposed to give you that lift. You know, I actually don't really care. I mean, I'm fine with mine. They're small, but it's okay. Para sa akin, okay lang. This is what it looks like. I wore a black bra para makita nyo na may bra talaga ako. And yeah, it looks like that. I know they're tiny, but they're fine. They're good. My babies are fine. And that's really weird touching them on camera. So it's supposed to give you parang ganon. And we'll see if it works. So I got it from Brian_stuff on Instagram. I will leave her links below if you're interested to get it. You know, if it works, then that would be awesome. I got mine in nude. It looks like this. Pasensya na kung medyo maingay kasi yung plastic niya nandito pa rin. But looks like that. I have mine in A, of course, because again, I have tiny babies. But yeah, A right there. And it looks like that. Parang butterfly effect yung design niya. Nung inisip ko na gawin ko tong video na to, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And now, nandito na ako, parang inisip ko, paano ko gagawin na hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo ang aking titties. So, that's why sinuot ko tong ito para makita nyo na ganyan siya now. And then later, we'll see kung magbibigay siya sa akin ng bonggang-bonggang rather. So looks like that right now. Okay, so I will go ahead and take off this black thingy right here. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna try on the bra in front of the camera, but of course with my tank top on. So yeah. Okay, so binaba ko lang yung camera ng konti para makita nyo ng konti. Tapos, yeah, I don't have any arb on right now. This is so weird, but you can't see anything except for this bad boy right here na kung this bra works will give you that, you know. But I'm gonna stop touching my boobies. Take off ko muna yung plastic niya. Ganito itsura niya sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung anong purpose ng dalawang round thingy there, but that's what it looks like sa loob. Tapos ano siya, sticky siya para mag-stick siya sa skin mo. Tapos the front looks like this. So what you will do first is make sure na loosen up yung string mo dito. Nandito siya sa pinaka-end talaga. So very loose to. So what you will do is lalagay mo siya sa first baby mo pag ganun. Tapos ito din pag ganun. So parang isuscoop mo sila pa inside silang dalawa. Saka mo i-tighten itong tie dito. That is so hard to explain. I will go ahead and do it off camera and then I will show you guys later kung ano magiging itsura niya. You guys, nilagay ko na yung bra and look at this. Are you ready? Parang nahihiya ako ipakita pero look at that! Meron talaga siyang ganap na ganyan and it's very dikit ha. As in, dikit na dikit talaga siya. I don't feel like matatanggal siya at all. Sobrang dikit siya. And napaka-loose pa na to. Hindi ko pa siya na-tighten. So what more ko ita-tighten natin siya. But that's what it looks like right now. I will go ahead and tighten it and makikita nyo right now kung anong mangyayari kapag tinighten ko siya ng bonggang-bongga. I feel really weird doing this right now. Why am I doing this? Why? Yan, tinighten ko siya as in super tight. And ganyan yung itsura niya. Parang may puwet ng bata sa hinaharap ko. Nakakaloka! It works. It really freaking works. Tapos, sobrang dikit pa rin niya. Hindi siya weird tingnan sa gilid. It looks really normal, which is really cool. And sa kabilang gilid, ganyan din itsura niya. So, very normal siya tingnan. Tapos, maganda to kapag mayroon kayong backless na dress kasi wala siya sa likod eh. Yeah, but that's what it looks like. Kapag ganito, na as in, tinighten ko talaga siya. Parang hindi makahinga yung aking mga babies. So, mas prefer ko yung loose kasi meron pa rin naman siyang ganung ganap. Pero, hindi parang sobrang sikip. So, I'm just gonna loosen it. So, yan yung pinaka-loose. Tapos, sobrang nakakahinga yung babies ko. And okay lang din naman siya. Meron pa rin siyang ganap na binibigay dyan sa area na yan. Napakadikit niya. As in, wala siyang areas na hindi madikit. Like, lahat talaga nung may madikit na part, as in, madikit talaga. You know what I mean? So, yeah, ibabalik ko na yung frame ng camera para So yeah, this actually works. I was actually expecting for it not to work. Nakatry na kasi ako ng sticky bra, hindi naman pala nagsistick, nakakaloka. But this one, as in sobrang dikit niya, and I don't feel like matatanggal siya at all. Perfect siya if mayroong mga events kayo, tapos kailangan nyo magsuot ng mga gown na backless, tapos gusto nyo na may yung hinaharap nyo. Perfect siya. Maganda din siya kasi na-adjust mo yung na gusto mo, if you know what I mean. Kung gusto niyo na may ganap pero chill pa rin like this, pwede kasi you can adjust it, and kung gusto mo naman ang va-va-voom talaga na ganon, pwede mo siyang i-tighten up. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed. I didn't expect for it to work, but it did, so that's really cool. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye!